This is my Honda CB 400 Super 4. It's been stolen. The headlight's been bashed in, you know, in the corner there, obviously sides as well. Ignition, just put them together, it turns on like that. So watch me go ahead and rebuild this little bike. It shouldn't take me too long. I want to keep the patina, I want to keep the side casings, even though I've got polished ones. I just like it. It's an old bike, it's no point making it look new. But first I've got something to get. I'm going to jump on this little monster to get a monster. This is the only thing I need to sort that out. So just take this off. Fucking hell. Surprised this hasn't caught fire. That's headlight, that's ignition. And then, there you go, there's the lever. What we do now is pull that, and that should pop off. There you go. We rise up from the dust and clean my throat. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Morning. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting up, we never look back. So I've cut through because I wanted to crack on because I need to get this done. But I'm going to paint the top and bottom yoke, the forks, tank and rear fairing. As well, while I'm doing this, I can probably re-grease these bearings as well.
God in the club, all restless, heart irritated resistance. I see you all alone at the distance. What an energy.
Everyone, so pretty much, yes, the VIN is ground off and the engine number. I'm quite green with this, so what I'm going to do is proceed like normal because I want to get this bike done. I can't leave it stripped down, so I'm going to, instead of taking this off, I'm going to mask it all up, make sure to not get any overspray on the VIN number and go from there. But this is ridiculous. This is more than I expected. I've got as much rust off as possible and then hit it with a zinc primer. So basically this helps it not to rust again. That's all it is. I've just done the clear coat. It's not too sad. Oh, come on. Fuck it. That's fine. It's black. I don't give a fuck. It's a project bike. That's what it's for. pay much attention, but my seals actually need replacing. So on there, and then I think on this side as well. But some shit has just gone into the clear coat. So once this is completely dry, I'm gonna wet sand that. What a fucking day. I've had enough. But yeah, it's not done. I thought I'll get a lot more into it, but just because I haven't got the right stands, I dropped the bike. So I have damaged the brand new paint job there, just there. Checked through the bike, it's fine. But I pulled me back a bit, but yeah, gotta do part 2 of me fucking up my bike, and obviously with the VIN number it's a bit different. But thank you for watching, see you in a bit.